that crisis as I put it now. Same here. Stupid fucking thing. Come on, let's go kill some VC. Watch that window and watch up there. I got shot from somewhere, not sure where. Where?
No, way on the other side.
Oh yeah, okay, fair enough.
You're good from there.
Way on the other side.
Just straight down the middle. You're good from there. Yeah, right down the center is getting intense. Right here. Hey!
Okay, it's working, good. I don't need it to die on me yet.
You see anybody?
No. Hit! Nice.
Yeah, my first time doing this shit.
Woo! Right behind you. Ooh. I'm being shot from somewhere. Hey, watch that RV. There's usually someone in there. Hey, I'm going to try to grab it. Hey! In the white trailer! White trailer! Come through! Where is it? Where'd he go? I believe the top is our team. Where'd he go? All of you are dead. I'm alive. Shit. Go! Go! Jeez. I thought you got shot.
No, I hit my head on the cowbell.
I'm just like,
And I brought it over there. I didn't know you had to bring it to
and
the truck.
I waited for you to come over here. I'm just like, did he get shot? Shit.
No, I just didn't know where to set it. Yeah, dude.
I shall
Night
night you. I mean, that's what I do sometimes. Last round. Let's make it count. Got it! Oh, that's me done. Oh, you're dead. Hey. Yeah, trade it. Pretty sure I got him. Hey, there's one up here. Yeah, watching us. Okay, I need to find the cone. I'm finding the cone. Hey. Oh fuck, never mind. It's over there.
Don't hide behind me.
I know, it knocks the wind out of you, doesn't it?
Oh yeah. Woo!
There's been a few times I've played with you before where I grabbed the camera.
Welcome to the club.
Oh, I've grabbed stuff before. Woo!
I ran over there, got two, and then got the shot.
That's China's career.
No, I like Canada. They make maple syrup. They fight bears to give me my maple syrup.
They're also the reason why most of the Geneva Convention exists.
Yeah.
Shh.
We don't talk about that.
Remember, it's only the loser that gets tried for war crimes there, bud.
Yeah.
Can invade a country for oil. Why can't we invade a country for maple syrup?
Well, do you want to fight the bears for us?
No, that's bad. So we leave that to the Canadians.
Yeah.
You said oil?
You know, we give them
Oil?
like 5.
Oil!
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 We do. Amen.
10% oil and then everyone.
Mine.
Right, Goblin!
Don't tell them, but I have a secret oil stash in my base.
Whoa!
Do not use too much oil when you cook, or else the Americans will break your house.
He said oil.
Wait, you have an oily face?
Your hair is oily?
Woo!
Sorry, I wasn't asking.
LSPD, don't move.
Well, your gun is bigger. That is fair.
It's long.
My gun's already pointed. You know what they say about guys with big guns?
Let's go! And then when you pull out a gun, whoa!
Sure.
They're definitely American.
All
assistants. I'm literally the only one right here right now. Okay, we have a bit more people. Not yet.
Go here, around the pound, go to the helicopter, then the embassy, and then starting from the backup air spot. That's a long haul.
We'll all probably die, but you know, that's war. Watch those tracks.
Walkie-talkie!
That's friendly. The guy over there is friendly. I haven't been here in like ever. Green. All good up here? Alright. Yeah, behind you! Hey, he ran over there. Now the game's cat and mouse. Good try, dude. That was a good game of cat and mouse. I don't know if he's that guy, but okay. Some guy just came in here, so be on the lookout. Oh, hey, RV. RV. Woo! Hey, tree line. Woo! I don't know if that was a hit. Can't tell if that was a hit. I didn't feel any impact. That's the thing. shit, I am rocking the joint here. Ah, hit. Ah. Hang on. Thing stuck. Oh. Dead. Ooh. Oh. Good shot. That stung. Woo. I like that game of cat and mouse we had over in the pair.
Going so well. Snuck up on him when we started off.
And I kept seeing you dart around. I'm just like, son of a bitch.
Yeah.
Bam.
Like, university is my favorite place to play. So
I heard someone walking, and I was like, they can't be anyone. He's so close. I heard him, and then I heard you behind me, and I was like, but I was just like, I'm just gonna ignore it. I don't know why, I just ignored it. I guess I knew that, like, even if I turn around, I get lit off.
never
So I was
ignore
just
it.
like,
But it's a good thing that as soon as you heard the jostle, you didn't like
yeah, because I was
try
like,
to go for a gun.
that's I was like, I'm gonna get lit up. I know he's behind me. So I was just
run up behind you like, don't you do it.
yeah, that was fun. I got it on video.
Nice.
Yeah.
I've done that to one person. I had set my rifle down and I was just using this. And we were having a date.
I mean, I have a mock grenade. Not really, but. Ah, over there. Black, brown building, whatever. That's a far back, brown. Yeah. I saw someone dart over there. Are you attack or defend? Okay. Hey, there's one in the red house. Well. Ah, hit! Yeah. Hit! Dead! Dead! Dead man! I'm going to. Huh?
What's your team name?
Shit, we didn't think one, did we? Vietnam. Vietnam. Okay. Alright. I'm going to go into my little coffin hole. Arsenal is back there. Let's go there. game.